morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we have here these two affordable smartwatches, the i7 Pro smartwatch, and we have the X8 Max smartwatch. They are very affordable in the Series 7 category. Okay, so this time we're going to compare it. Okay, compare it side by side, check its menus and features. Okay, so we have here on our left we have the i7 Pro, and on our right side we have the X8 Max smartwatch. Okay, so let's check the design first before we check on the menus here. So almost the same in appearance here. For the thickness, okay, let's have a closer look. Okay, so you can really see the difference here. Very similar. Okay, seems like they have only one body design, but this one is much, okay, it is more protruding compared to this one. Okay, so it's almost indistinguishable. Okay, so there's a difference here on the side. Okay, so for the display screen, the bezel here is almost the same. Okay, let me change for other screen display here, or watch face. Okay, let's pick this one. Okay, oh, check why it did not change. Okay, I'll just leave it as it is. Why is it that it's not changing? Okay, that's it. So as you can see here, okay, so here's your X8 Max. As you can see here, very easy to change the watch faces compared to the iPro 7. But what I like about the iPro 7 is that it has a lot of professional looking watch faces, okay, including the watch face from the popular company here, the contour watch face. Okay, so it changes color, I think. So take a look at the design here. Okay, so here, so different UI strategies here, so it is much easier to navigate for the X8 Max. But on our i7 Pro, we have a split screen support. We have, I think, different menus, I think also, and we have a support for the scroll feature here of the crown button. Okay, well, for the X8 Max we don't have that. Okay, so let's check for the menus here. Okay, let's concentrate first on this one. Okay, for the menus here for the i7, as we already showed you on our previous video, we have several styles for each menus. Okay, menu style. Okay, our favorite here, the 6 palace. Okay, we also have this one. Okay, WP, somewhat like a Windows. Okay, and our favorite, the 6 palace, where it is much easier to navigate and select the menus. Okay, so let's check. I think both do support a Bluetooth call here. Okay, we also have QR code, brightness display, sedentary. We also have the contrast contact. Okay, we also have the Bluetooth camera, call logs, find phone. Okay, for the sports, let's check for the sports. Where's the sports here? I think the sports here for the X8 Max, okay, is already outside, okay, of the menu. Let's check if I remember it correctly. Oh, here it has its own section. Okay, we have running here, okay, or cycling. We have here also the cycling. We have the hiking. We also have the walking for the X8. We have the jumping rope. Okay, and that's it. While for the i7 Pro, we have at least several sports here. Okay, ride, run, climb. Okay, and we have treadmill, record, and ride also. Okay, and what else? Okay, another feature for the X8 Max, I think, is the game section here. We also have the game. Where's the game? Okay, I think it is accessible here on the top. Okay, so we have here at least 4 games. Okay, for the X8 we don't have that. It's more on a call, Bluetooth call, messages, sports, and health. Okay, for the X8 Max smartwatch, but still it's very affordable and easy to use, easy to navigate, and support social app messages here. The same with the i7 Pro smartwatch. Okay, okay, different approach and menus as well as watch faces, but they almost have the same style. Okay, the same size of the smartwatch, the same bezel, okay, size here. Let me check image. Okay, as you can see. Okay, top on and on the left and right it is slim, but on the bottom it is much wider. Okay, on the sensor part here, okay, so it is also different here. I think different approach, but it's all magnetic charging. Okay, but for the size they almost have the same size. Okay, brush glossy finish. Okay, for the i7 as well as the X8 Max smartwatch. Okay, so what do you think? Which do you prefer, the i7 or the X8 Max? For the specifications of these two wearables, please just check the links below on our website smartwatchspecifications.com. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions regarding these two smartwatches, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.